Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas. Your source for Ford news, update, and information with a video on the Bronco Sport. This is our RTR build, so we are now a certified dealer and are working with RTR to be able to bring you some different RTR builds on different Ford vehicles, including the Bronco Sport. So this is going to be the Bronco Sport RTR build, and we're going to cover what's included on this. What vehicle you can put it on, what trim level and model and everything, and all that information in this video, and let you know that McArthur is a source for you. If you would like to get an RTR build, we can install it, put it on your ordered or even already delivered Bronco Sport if you'd like to. So let's go ahead and we're going to dive in and talk about this. If you like videos like this, maybe some of our other custom builds, check out our website. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video of some of these cool videos that we do to these Ford vehicles. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and talk about this build. Now let's talk about how these need to be equipped from the factory to be able to put these RTR builds on them. One of the things that I like that RTR does differently than some of the other manufacturers or some of the other custom build companies out there is that it doesn't matter. It can be put on any Bronco Sport. So just like with the Bronco, just like with the Mustang, as well as even the Mach-E that they have and the Ranger, the Bronco Sport can be put on any of your different trim levels. It doesn't matter if it's a Big Bend, doesn't matter if it's an Outer Banks, or even a Badlands edition. This build can be put on any of those. So that makes it pretty simple and easy. So if you want to order, a black appearance package for 2024, maybe you want to even add the freewheeling package, but you want this package put on it, it can be done. So we can go ahead and put that on any builds. So there's the easy part of it. Now let's dive into the different equipment. Now to start off, what I like that the RTR is doing is they're actually putting a little bit of a lift kit on this. So this will have a billet spacer lift for this. So it's going to bring this up a little bit and give it more of an off-road aggressive look than what you might see from the factory. So bringing up, especially the front of it, up to give it a little more clearance to be able to go off-road with this. So I like that. That's the first thing that they do to this. The other is a wheel and tire combination. So I always like a good wheel and tire, and I've always liked the RTR wheels. This is going to be, of course, for all four of the wheels. You're going to get the RTR Tech 6 in a couple different color options. You can either get the charcoal like you see with this one here, or the satin black. So satin charcoal or satin black. And I like this color combination. I'm kind of a fan of that. So you have this wheel. Also, you're going to see the lug nut kit that they put on this as well. So, and the tire pressure monitoring system also is checked on all these. And you're going to get a Nitto tire as well. Now, by the way, these wheels are 35 offset, so they're 17 by 7.5 with a plus 35 offset. And the tires are going to be a Nitto grappler tire there for you. So this is the Nomad grappler here on this particular one. I believe, see the tire size there, that is a 245 65 R17 on these, and of course they're going to be mountain balanced and everything else to go along with that. Something else that I like that RTR does is a really cool badging on the fender. So you're going to see the RTR badging right over here on both fenders, of course, and really lets you know that this is something special on your vehicle. This actually was put on, you can see, was put on an Outer Banks trim with that there too. Also on the side, you're going to see their graphics. A little hard to see on the black one here, but a couple different graphic options here. You're going to see it on the hood, so I love how they're putting it on those two different pieces on the hood to give it a nice aggressive look up there. So you're going to have that. It's the topographical graphic that you'd see for, like the Bronco has, as well as this one. And then you're going to see the graphics on the side as well, and even comes up a little bit and gives it a nice look towards the back of it. So similar to what you did see on the Bronco that we released yesterday. This in here is that different look with the gray accent in there. So a couple different options there for you. So pretty cool graphics. Also, they're going to do a couple things to the inside. So let's check those out. Now, they haven't forgot the inside. They are going to protect the inside as well, because if you're going to do some off-roading, probably going to get your feet a little bit muddy and dirty and everything. So you're going to get the WeatherTech all-weather mats with the RTR branding. So there's going to be one for each of the footwells and the front, as well as, I believe there's one, I call it in the back as well. Back there, so full all the way back there. You can see that in the images there. So protecting it inside as well as giving you a great look on the outside. So very simple build, not a lot of complexity to this, but really if you want to take that Bronco Sport to the next level, give it a nice aggressive look and styling, this is an option for you. And again, it can be put on any of your custom builds. If you want to order a Bronco with us, we have plenty of allocations. We can get one in pretty quickly for you. 2024 model year order banks are open up right now. Or if you have a Bronco coming in or want to take one of our in-stock Broncos and have this package put on it, we can have a pretty quick turnaround for you and get these in pretty quickly. I can tell you I was at the RTR lab not too long ago, and they are stocked up on these wheels and these different packages. They are ready to be shipped out to different dealers, and so we can help you out with that and put this on your vehicle for you. So even one of our stock vehicles. So if you want to do that, take advantage of that, reach out to us. You can contact us, call us at the dealership here. Numbers and everything is down in the description. If you check that out down there, as well as our website, where you can find some other different custom builds, even one of the ones that we do in-house, if you want to check that one out as well. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and keep checking out as we do more and more of these. So we've done the Mustang, which hopefully we're beginning to see those by the end of the year, as well as the Bronco builds we can do in Bronco Sport right now. We also have one. It's available on the Mach-E. So once we get a Mach-E in, we'll try to show you what that's going to look like, as well as there's a package available for the Ranger. So check all those out. So we are a certified RTR dealer. We are happy and glad to be able to partner with them. We had Vaughn come in recently to the dealership, so we're really stoked and excited. They have a great passion for giving customers something cool and custom for their vehicle, and they want to make sure they're great quality products, and they work really hard to be able to achieve that and give you the car of your dreams. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Smash that like button. If you like this video, like some of our other videos, so make sure you're subscribed, have that notification turned on so you don't miss a single video. And until the next one, don't forget, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in that next video.